how you can upload a file on Google Drive and share the link with others. First of all, open your Google Chrome browser and go to the apps section on the right side. Here you can see lots of apps associated with Google. Go to Drive, open the Drive and log in on the account that you want to share the files to. On Drive, here you can see on the left side new. Tap on it and upload a file. After that, go to recent and see the file that you just shared. Upload it and tap on the three dots. After tapping on it, you can see the share option. Tap on it and tap on share again. Here you can see restricted. Tap on it and you can tap share the link with anyone, and anyone can access your file. And you can also change the role, viewer, commenter, or editor. I'm gonna choose viewer and tap on done. And that way you can share the uploaded file to your friends and they can access it easily. So I hope this video was helpful and you liked the tutorial. Thank you for watching this video and make sure you hit the like button.